Hello everyone. So in previous video we saw how we configured Android Studio to start creating Flutter apps with it. Now in this video we will see how to deploy that Flutter app into an Android emulator. So first thing we have to do is to download and set up an Android emulator, and to do that open Virtual Device Manager by clicking on this little button over here. Now we have to create a new virtual device. Now here select phone, and then you can select any hardware profile you want, but my recommendation is to choose Nexus 6 because we can easily accelerate the graphics to hardware acceleration with it, which we will see later on. So after selecting your profile, click next. And now we get to select which operating system we want to run that device. Here I recommend you to choose Android Q as operating system. So click on this download button to download it, and this will open a license agreement. So accept it and hit next. Now it will start downloading, so wait until it finishes. And once that done, go ahead and click finish, and now you can select the Q operating system for your device. So select it and click next. And now over here, most important, select hardware for graphics, and by doing this it will use your computer graphics card for faster rendering, and it will basically speed up your Android emulator. And now we are done with creating and configuring virtual device, so click finish. And here now we can see a virtual device to work with. So to launch it, click on this little play button over here. For the first time it will take some time, and it's just like switching your Android device, so wait until it load. Now after that done, we will deploy our Flutter app into this device. But before moving ahead, I would like you to check whether you are ready to go with this step or not. And to do so, open terminal by hitting command space and type terminal and hit enter. Now after terminal window open, I will use a command that is flutter space doctor and hit enter. So this command checks your environment and displays a report to the terminal window. So here in doctor summary you can see that doctor found issues in two categories. And the first one says that some Android licenses not accepted. And after that it's showing the command to fix that issue, and that is flutter space doctor space dash dash android dash licenses. So we will use this command to resolve the issue. So type that command, that is flutter space doctor space dash dash android dash licenses. Now hit enter. As you can see here, it's showing that 6 out of 7 SDK package license are not accepted. So you have to accept all 6 of them to proceed further. So type lowercase y and hit enter to accept the license. Now one of the license is accepted and 5 are remaining. So repeat the process and accept the 5 remaining licenses. Now after accepting all the licenses, run Flutter Doctor again to verify that you have set everything up correctly. So again type flutter space doctor and hit enter. And now you can see it's showing one issue, means we have successfully accepted all the licenses. And this issue is related to VS Code. It's showing that you have to download Flutter extension in VS Code to start working with it. But since we are using Android Studio, so we need not to worry about it. And if you are using VS Code as editor for Flutter development, so please fix that too. Now coming back to where we left off, so now we can run our Flutter demo app into a virtual device. And to do that, select Android device as target over here and click on this little play button to run the app. Now you can watch the different stages of building over here, and the initial stage is a way longer as it downloads the recommended files like Gradle and more. So it usually takes up about 10 to 15 minutes, and you can watch the progress down here. For me, the whole process took about 22 minutes, so be patient and go and take some snacks and enjoy the building process. Now after the app is successfully installed, you will see this demo app in your device, and this is just a simple counter app, and what it does is basically it shows the number of times this blue floating button have been clicked. So every time you will click it, the number goes up, and that's all it is. So at this point, we have successfully deployed our Flutter app into Android emulator, and in the next video we will see how we can install the same app into an iOS simulator. So that's much for this video guys. Hit like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe Flutter Group for more such videos, and thanks for watching.